In this video, we will determine whether the given function is even, odd, or neither odd nor even. So before discussing the examples, let us see when the function will be even, odd, or neither odd nor even. In even, f minus x will be equals to fx. It means when you will put the value of x as minus x, you will get the function equals to fx. In second, odd, function f minus x is equals to minus fx. That means when you will put the value of x as minus x, you will get the value minus fx. In the third case, neither odd nor even, the function minus x will not be equals to fx, neither it will be equals to minus fx. It means the function will not be equals to neither this nor this. Here is our first example. Fx is equals to x cube minus 2x. You have to put x as minus x. So in the function, the value of x will be replaced by minus x. So it will be minus x cube minus 2 minus x. When you will solve it, it will be minus x cube, and negative negative, it will be positive 2x. Here we have took the negative common, and it will be minus x cube minus 2x. This is equals to the function fx. So we have substituted the value of fx, and that is equals to function minus x is equals to minus fx. So the function is odd. Next example is fx is equals to x cube minus 2x plus 1. We have substituted the value minus x. In the function, all the x will be replaced by minus x cube minus 2 minus x plus 1. It will be minus x cube, negative negative, it will be positive 2x plus 1. From this equation, if we take negative as common, then it will be x cube minus 2x minus 1, and it is not equals to fx, neither it is equals to minus fx. So it is neither odd nor even. Our third example is on trigonometric function. Fx is equals to tan 2x. We will substitute the value as minus x. So here it will be tan 2 minus x. As we know that tan is an odd function, tan minus x is equals to minus tan x. So here it will be f minus x will be equals to minus tan 2x. This is equals to our fx, so we will substitute the value as fx. Hence we can say that it is odd function. Next example is sec x. Fx is equals to sec x. We will proceed in the same manner. F minus x is equals to sec minus x. Secant is an even function. That means sec minus x will be equals to sec x. When we will substitute the value, f minus x will be equals to sec x, and this is equals to fx. So minus function minus x is equals to fx. So it is a even function. Our next example is about the modulus function, where fx is equals to mod of x to the power whole cube. In all the examples, you have to proceed in the same manner. F minus x will be minus x to the power whole cube. So we can write this as minus 1x. As we have a property of modulus, mod AB is equals to mod of A and mod of B. So or you can write this as this. Here the minus 1, when it will come out from the mod, it will be positive, and 1 multiplied by x whole cube. The mod of x whole cube will be the mod of x whole cube, and this is equals to our function fx. Hence we can say that it is an even function. Last example is based on exponential, where fx is equals to e to the power minus x. We will do the same. F minus x is equals to, we will substitute the value of x as minus x. Minus minus will be cancelled, and it will be e to the power x. So we can say that it is neither odd nor even, because this is not equals to fx, nor it is equals to the f minus x. And we also know that exponential functions are odd function and modulus functions are even function.